One common error that we face while running a Python script related to machine learning is this error, that when we try to import the yellow from Ultralytics, we'll get an error stating that this shm.dll file could not be loaded. And this happens mainly because of conflict in different libraries. And suppose you are using a particular Python version, and you are using some version of torch, then they should support each other, otherwise they're going to be conflict. Also, you are using Ultralytics and it is going to a version of Ultralytics, and it is going to use torch in the behind the scene. And if the Ultralytics doesn't support the version of the torch, then there will be conflict. So this mainly happens because we install the dependencies without mentioning their versions. And clearly, as the new versions of a particular library comes up, whenever you install that particular version, um, without mentioning the version number, it will automatically download the latest version. And what happens is that suppose the Ultralytics version you are using is of old version, and that is using older version of torch. But when you install a torch of latest having latest version, then there will be conflict. To solve the problem, there is only one solution. You have to search it, and you have to Google it, and you have to see what's working for others, because there is no way you can find anywhere in the documentation that which version is compatible with which version of a particular library. So in this video, I'll after I did some research and some searching and googling, I get to know which version works with which version. So uh, let's see how we can solve this. So if you face this error that shm to dll cannot be loaded, then you first the solution that I found in the internet was this: uninstall the scipy and then install it again, having this version. But now it's not working. I don't know why. Maybe the scipy is being utilized by some other library that I'm using in my project is of higher requirement. Okay, so if it is not working, then the easy solution is that you let the scipy be of the latest version, because maybe it is being used by some other library. And the quick fix is you uh, in have these versions of these three libraries. Okay, so when you install Ultralytics, you make sure that you are installing this version only 8.0.121. And by default, when you install Ultralytics, it will install the torch and torch vision of latest version. So you see that in your uh, terminal by typing this command pfreeze requirements.txt, and then you can find that this torch and torch vision are having higher version, as I have mentioned here. So from this version, the version we have is of higher. Then what you should do is you should uninstall this two version and install this two version of torch and torch vision, and then you are all set. Okay, thank you.